Now let us try to evaluate this problem. Okay, now first let us integrate with respect to x. So I get sine inverse x within the limits 0 to 1, and this will be there, square root of 1 minus y square dx. Now for this, sine inverse 1 will be pi by 2, and this is 0 to 1. dy. Again, integrating with respect to y, I get sine inverse y. This is pi by 2, 0 to 1. Again, sine inverse of 1 will be pi by 2. So pi by 2 into pi by 2 is pi square by 4. Let us try to evaluate this. Now integration of this will be minus cos x plus y. Okay, and I'll have integration with respect to x again. Okay, now again when I substitute this, minus cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay, so integration 0 to pi by 2, and cos 0, and this is cos x. Okay, I have substituted those limits, which is 0 and pi by 2. Now integration of this again, I'll get as sine pi by 2 sine, again the limits 0 to pi by 2. Again when I simplify this again, this is sine pi by 2 plus pi by 2 will be pi, and minus sine pi by 2, and this is minus sine pi by 2, and this is plus sine 0. So this goes to 0 as well as this goes to 0. So this is 1 and this is 1. So I'll be left with minus of minus 2, which is 2. Now let us try to evaluate this. So first, integrating with respect to x, I get x power 4 by 4 for the limit 0 to 3. Okay, and this I will do later. Again, by substituting this, I get this is 3 power 4, 3 power 4, which is 3 power 4, which is 81, and this is 0. So 81 divided by 4. Again, integrating with respect to y, I get this. So when I substitute it, I get 81 by 16. Let us try to evaluate this. Now first is integrating with respect to y. So I get x y square by 2 and e to the power of pi, limits 3, 4, 1 to 2 dx. Let us substitute it. So I get by 2. This is 16 minus 9. Okay, so x will be there, and this is e to the power of 4, e to the power of 3. Okay, integration 1 to 2, and this is dx. Now again, integrating with respect to x, I get x square by 2 for the limits 1 and 2, and this is x e to the power of 4, e to the power of 3, and this is 1 to 2. And I substitute this, I get this as 21 by 4, and e to the power of 4 minus e cube. Now integrating, now we have to look at this first integration. So this is y is equal to 1 and x square. So first you have to integrate with respect to y. So I get x cube y and y cube by 3 into x. Okay, and for 1 and x square, 1 5, and this is dx. Now let us substitute it. When I substitute it, I get x cube. This is x square minus 1, and x by 3, and this is x power 6 minus 1. 1, 5, and this is dx. Now this whole term is in terms of x alone, integrating with respect to x. So I get x power 6 by 6 minus x power 4 by 4 plus x power 8 by 24 minus x square by 6 for the limit 1 to 5. So when I substitute x is equal to 1 and 5, I get minus 5 by 25.